As a mom, the picture of this sleeping toddler is adorable. But as a myofunctional therapist, I have some concerns. Why is her mouth wide open? Is she able to breathe with her nose? If her mouth is open, that means her tongue is down. If her tongue is down, it's probably also back, which could be obstructing her airway. If we obstruct her airway, she's not going to get quality sleep. If she's not going to get quality sleep, she's not going to grow or be able to breathe as well, and it might even affect her ability to learn later. She might even have a tongue tie. Myofunctional therapy is something that can help with all of these things. There's a study that says that myofunctional therapy can reduce what they call an AHI score by 50% in adults and 62% in children. If you or a child that you know is sleeping like this, bring them over to Waterford Dental. We'll take a look and we can help.